Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link to another sheet in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large spreadsheets and want to create quick navigation between different sheets, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, you'll see all your spreadsheets and documents laid out in front of you. Simply locate and click on the spreadsheet you want to edit. This will open up the file in Google Sheets, ready for you to make your changes. Once your spreadsheet is open, click on any cell where you want to place your link. This cell will act as the anchor point for your navigation. After selecting the cell, look up to the top menu bar and click on Insert from the drop-down menu that appears. Click on Link. This option allows you to create hyperlinks within your spreadsheet, connecting different parts of your document seamlessly. A dialog box will now pop up in the text field. Input descriptive text like "Go to Sheet 3." This text will be visible in your cell and will act as the clickable link. Next, move to the link field below. Here, type the name of the sheet you want to link to, for example, Sheet 3. As you start typing, Google Sheets will automatically suggest matching sheet names from your spreadsheet. You'll see options appear below the link field. Click on the sheet name that matches what you typed, in this case, Sheet 3. This confirms the link and establishes the connection between your current cell and the target sheet. Once you click it, the link is now active and ready to use. Now let's test it out. Click on the cell where you just created the link. You'll notice that clicking on it will instantly direct you to the other sheet you specified. This makes navigating through multiple sheets quick and effortless, especially when dealing with complex spreadsheets. And there you have it, you've successfully created a link to another sheet in Google Sheets. This simple feature can dramatically improve how you manage and navigate your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.